Saan tayo papunta, Yara? Punta kami ngayon sa, guys, Universal Studio. Kasi it's Valentine's Day. No? Valentine's. Happy Valentine's, guys. Na kasi kami mapuntahan, guys. Kaya balik na lang tayo sa Universal Studio. Kasi isang beses pa lang ako nakapunta doon nung pagdating ko talaga dito. So medyo matagal na yung mga para 2 years ago, parang ganun. Tapos Ayara first time niya. So yun. Doon na lang tayo. Marami namang mga pambata doon na pwede niyang masakyan. Kahit hindi na kami makasakay ng mga nasakyan na namin dati kasi pang talaga yun extreme na rides. Para sa kanya na lang. Para sa kanya ang Valentine's today. kasi pretty ang baby. Naka-red. Siya lang naka-red. Valentine's na Valentine's siya, guys. Diba? Time ay alas 9 ng umaga. Alas 10 naman daw ang open doon. Kaya okay pa. Magpapagasolina muna kami, guys. Ewan ko kung maganda ba quality pa ng aking cellphone kaysa sa aking camera. Pero ang camera ko pa parating na, guys. Excited na ako kasi bago daw. Bago daw yung aking camera. Pinalitan, hindi na nila ginawa. Binigyan na lang nila ako ng bago. So happy. So wala na yung mga gas-gas sa camera ko, yung nahulog. Kasi bago na siya. Tapos wala na yung yung parang nagtunog-tunog na pag ililipat mo siya, parang tumutunog siya, parang gano'n. Dapat stable yung kamay mo. So excited. Ingatan na talaga natin. No, pero at the meantime, ito muna. Okay naman yung camera natin. Kaso lang, yung cellphone. Pinapakain ko lang siya ng ito, guys. Gumawa lang ako ng bread. Kunti lang nga lang yung bread na merong avocado at sunny side up. Kasi maaga kaming umalis sa bahay. Hindi na kami nakapag breakfast doon. Tapos bumili na kami ng kape. Starbucks. Melby. So ito pinapakain. Papaubos niya na Maubos niya na. Halos maubos niya na yung isang buong tinapay. Buti naman. At para may energy siya mamaya. Diba? Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya ang ating ganap, guys. Nakatulog na ang bata, guys. Sleeping Beauty na. May 1 oras pa kami, kaya makakatulog siya pa ng 1 oras para may energy siya mamaya. Here. Yan na ang bata. Excited na ba ang lahat? Sama ng mukha mo, ha? Ito yung Nilang Globe, guys. Bibili pa kami ng ticket, guys. Oh, mahabot. Very good talaga tayo. Hindi pa ata mag-open, oh. No. Hindi pa. Nakapila lang. Bili pa ng ticket. Very good. Yara, you're here na. Universal Studio.
Ay, maganda siya.
Hello, unicorn.
Unicorn?
Hindi niya pala kilala.
Kaya, pag-picture kayo. Sino yan? Si Tanggil.
Si Tangled. Merong isang character dito kasi hindi namin alam kung sino siya. Si ano daw siya, babe? Si Gabby's and Dollhouse. Gabby's Dollhouse. And movie.
Gabis ba?
Meron pa siyang movie na ngayon.
Pabuhat mo si baby. Ito.
Hindi niya kayang buhatin, babe.
Ayan, ay, ganun.
Eto siya.
Bibidyo, bibidyo. Pa-picture na lang tayo sa kanila para tayo sa... Pa-picture na lang tayo.
Ayun. Sino yung baby? Donkey! Ay, Kung Fu Panda tayo guys. Kung Fu Panda. Adventure. Walang ano eh. Ha? Si Pinocchio natutulog. Wala kasing height limit eh. Kaya pwede siya. Dati kami palang dalawa dito eh. Na-vlog ko din yun. Ngayon, meron ng bata! May bata na kasama si Mami and Daddy. Hi!
Well, that could have gone better. All right, boys, places. Let's put on a show. Hey!
Ay, nakaupo pa siya, oh. Ayan, mga girls. Nakaupo pa ang Ayara.
Hey, I must have that bottle! And this is for the Emperor! Watch for the spikes! The liquid ultimate power!
Tapos na. Sino natakot?
Natakot na.
Na naman tayo guys. And si Fiona. Cute. Yeah. Kita mo si Shrek mamaya. Okay?
Uy, kita mo yung ano?
Shrek.
Good job. So brave. Very
One, two, three. 3, 2, 1. You just did a fabulous job. Thank you.
Dito tayo sa kay Harry Potter.
Kung tayo ng map tayo.
Happy, nakita mo si Shrek. Ayara.
Kita mo si ano?
Yara, are you sleepy? Oh, ang hangin. Ito yung hindi namin pwede sakyan, guys. Sobrang grabing ano yan, ride. Pero nasakyan namin ni Melvin na yan. Mahaba pila dyan. Yan, sino yan? Yung spider, babe. Pakita mo spider. Lo, ano yan, Yara? Ayara. Ayara, look oh. Sino yan? Ito. Look. Spider yun. Hi, come on. Let's go. Dito guys, dito kami kakain. Wow, yummy. Uy, wow, yummy. Naubos niya na yung grapes niya guys.
As a rational
Good?
skeptic, I find that hard to believe. Also, as a vegetarian, I hope there's nothing in that sauce.
Yummy? Yummy?
No, that's
Ano kami? Kain pa guys.
Try the flan de leche de cabra. Be sure to dig around in the gum.
Okay naman ito. Fish ba to? Chicken.
Why can't I have it now? You got your present here. Basic fairness.
Ito tama-tama sa kanya. Palaman yun.
It's a new world out there. People care about their health for some reason. We know times have changed. We at Krusty Burger want to take advantage of that. Introducing the Mother Nature Burger, made from 100% wheat-fed barley. Now to take a yummy bite. Tastes like a healthy future.
Alam mo yun yung mashed potato din.
You look just like
More champagne? Whoops. Time for a fill-up. Dark son. Another bottle of your second least expensive champagne.
Malat ba?
Hindi. Malam.
Ahoy! I spy the
Okay
children's
na.
menu.
Kanya lang to.
Boy, this was quite hard.
So what's it gonna be now?
This evening, I shall go for the squid platter. Extra tentacles, please.
Here you go.
Dito kami sa magic shop. Saan naman tayo? Saan tayo? Bumili si Daddy ng beer.
Es el único que hay. Es el único que hay, chico. Además, se dispara bien.
Ba't di ka bumili ng... Ay, kumuha ng straw. May straw si... Uy! Beer yan, babe! Ano ka ba? No.
Beer?
Ano pala to?
Butter lang yan.
No, buttered beer nga eh. Dito tayo sa Minions, guys. Na, sino yan? Ayara! Sino yan? Banana. Ang cute.
You ready?
So, yun siya. Yeah?
I love it. Say bye.
Go, go, go. Ay. Go, 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 go. Yay. Sino yun? Bunny. Bunny? Say hi. Say hi.
Hey friends, how you guys doing down here? Nice to see you. Yeah, see anything I can help you with? I hope the answer.
Hanap na lang tayo ng small bunny.
Wala talaga small bunny, babe. Malalaki talaga yung bunny. Kanina guys, nung nawala na si Bunny, yung nagsasalita, umiyak siya.
Tara na, habang nakalimutan si Bunny.
Tara na.
Huwag mo na pag-exit.
May pangalan talaga Mel.
Pangalan?
Sino yun? Box? Si Dax yan? Bye-bye ba? Okay, bye-bye na. Sino yan? Huh? Dog ba yan? Anong pangalan niya nga, babe?
Scooby-Doo.
Snoogie-Dog.
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo ba? Scooby-Doo. Tama. Scooby-Doo pala.
Territory, so she is going to be bringing picture about her
Dinosaur.
space.
Raptor, the raptor. Ano sabi nun? Dinosaur?
You know what kind of dinosaur? Yes, blue.
Dito, Yara. Wow, so big.
Predator. So as we have Juliet entering the park, we may see some defensive actions for her territory. Look to be free flow. It's just blue making sure she has her space. Thank you guys. Here you go. Okay.
Nahaway sila.
All right, good girl. Yes. We're looking for Juliet. She's not wearing any red. So Blue shouldn't be too focused on her as she walks away. However, as I said earlier, Blue does have an arsenal of tools whenever she's hunting. Among them, her extremely keen sense of smell. This will be our last reputation for this encounter. We're going
Let's go.
to get her fed. Just want to thank you all for your participation in today's training.
Ayan, dali.
Anyone know what that might be? You are correct, your fingernails. So the keratin we have in our fingernails, we would find in the horns of a triceratops.
Yan. Na-picture siya.
Diyan, baka ride. Pasok tayo? Parang ride. Ha?
Nakap na.
Parang pambata. Ha? Ano yun dyan? ID.
Dito.
Okay, simula.
Tapos sa likod mo. Bato mo.
Yeah, but you're wrong.
Sayang, hindi tayo nakapapicture sa kanya. Lolo, confident. Asan tayo, babe? Dito tayo sa, ano guys, yung magtutur-tour. Sasakay ng tren at magtutur-tour sa Universal Studio. Magtutur kami, sasakay ng tren. Parang ganyan, guys. Cart. Pero medyo mahabang pila. Hard na ba?
Now, throughout my tour, I like to do what are called energy checks, all right? The tour is 45 minutes to an hour. And some of you dads and grandpas like to fall asleep when I'm giving y'all the tour. I don't need y'all beefing because you got to miss out on your favorite television show and movie sets, all right? So to avoid any conflict, all right, I'm going to make sure you guys are staying... Ladies and gentlemen, that was King Kong 360 3D. It was back to back to back. So, essentially, they were all born and made right here in Little Europe. This is the most historic and versatile location on our lot. We are able to change the set dressing and signage to pretty much take you guys anywhere that we want to in the world. So we've been able to take you guys to Wales, to Transylvania, Germany, even the good place with Kirsten Bell and Ted Danson too. I heard that. It's your favorite show, huh? I heard that.
Bakit nandito mo siya? Ha? Ano? Dito ba nag-film?
So, folks, obviously going to the bad place doesn't sound awesome indeed, but you know what does? Just how many different places Little Europe itself is able to turn into. So if I have any fans of a movie called The Princess Diaries 2, A Royal Engagement with Anne Hathaway and Julie Andrews, this is the fictitious Genovia, ladies and gentlemen. By changing the color of the buildings, we were able to use it as the... Okay. And we've even been able to provide a couple of spooky locales for Buffy the Vampire Slayer, as well as Angel. And my personal favorite, you guys can recognize these as the streets of Paris in the Pink Panther with Steve Martin. But this area in particular is called the Court of Miracles. Now it gets its name because it was called that in the film The Hunchback of Notre Dame. But coincidentally, it was also in the film The Miracle Man, which both coincidentally starred Mr. Lon Chaney. So I like to just say this is Mr. Lon Chaney's court, considering... So the button is kind of not working. I may or may not have just caused a little bit of a flip. I do see the shark fin in the water. Nobody panic. Maybe George is just getting it taken care of here. George, what the heck, man? You told me to bring all these people here, dude. Oh my gosh! Wait, George, just hold on. I'm calling somebody. Just don't move, all right, buddy? That is not what I meant, George. It's not what I meant. Hey everyone, listen, don't worry about George, alright? I'm sure he's gonna be fine, alright? It's just a shark. Matter of fact, I read on ChatGPT, if you don't move, sharks won't attack you. So listen, everybody sit still, nobody move. I promise you we're gonna be fine, alright? Look, it's just a shark, it can't do that much damage. Everybody just stay calm and please, whatever you do, do not panic. I promise you we're gonna be fine. Okay, everybody panic, we're not gonna be fine. Everybody panic, we're not gonna be fine.
Shark!
What catastrophe came to be, and then I'll chime in here in just a second, all right?
Gabi na! Happy Valentine's! Palakad-lakad na lang kami guys. Ang lamig-lamig. Kaya nagkakape ako. Hot coffee. Parang natapos na namin lahat.
natin ang birit.
Lamig dyan, babe.
Sarado.
Ha? Sirado ba yan? Yung pambata din, no?
Sarado.
Sayang. Sa Funland na kami. Parang ikot na namin lahat. Wala na ba tayong na-miss? Hindi kami nakapag-rides ng madami kasi, you know, guys. Hindi pa, 30 cm pa ata si Ayara. Centimeter, di ba? Dapat 34 above. Kulang pa ang kanyang height. Balik na lang tayo next time. Makasakay na siya sa lahat. Ayun guys, oh. Ito. Ano pinuntahan natin kanina na na Mario. Tingnan mo naman yung likod ng Super Mario, babe. Uy, yan lang talaga, babe. Puro ano na. Ano lang talaga nilagay nila, no? Parang sobrang amazing.
Ito ginagawa pa. Siguro dito ka pang pasok para maka-rides dyan.
Ito ginagawa pa to, guys. Wow, nice!
Wow, nakita nyo na naman. Wow, yung daming ilaw-ilaw. Ano yun? Nakagaling kanina.
Nice ba?
Nice.
Nakadoble na siya ng jacket, guys, kasi sobrang lamig na.
Hanggang doon ang haba.
Ako sobrang lamig na aking kamay, kaya nagkape na lang ako.
Nice. Nice.
Eh, ano mo siya, babe? Meron ako sombrero dala sa kanya dyan, yung puti.
Wow.
Ha?
Ay, si Super Mario. Saan na? Ano yan? Good yan.
Ayun, ayan pa, o, yun po. Bye-bye. Papabili sa'yo yan. Sige ka. Pinapakita mo eh. Grabe. Paglaw na. Ha?
Si Panda.
Anong pandan?
Panda. Panda.
Ala na, si Gru! Ala, si Gru! Ang uwi ko lang. Dali, babe. Magpa-picture tayo. Si Gru, di ba yan? Sa ano? Wala na siya. Ayan guys, kasama ni Minion, yung kanang nila. Si Gru ba tawag niyan? Si Gru, guys. Ano yan? Sino yan? Sino yan? Bunny daw. Ito mo, pinapakita mo tapos bibilhin mo ba? Wala ka na magagawa. Pinahawak mo na. Ay, sus! Ay, sino yan? Bunny? Umiyak siya kanina, guys, nung wala si Bunny. Nagsasalit. Nakukunin na lang. Deserve. Hindi nakatiis ang daddy. Ay, wala din. Bunny! Ang dami ng stuffed toy sa bahay. Good luck. Hi! May pa-hi-hi pa siya.
Hag mo si Bunny.
Sus! Swerte yun. Swerte yun ka ba? Kiss mo muna si Daddy. Thank you ikaw kay Daddy. Ay, si Bunny yung kikiss mo. Sorry ka na lang. Kami ay pauwi na, guys. Yun na, palabas na kami. Punta na kami parking. Woo! Let's go, let's go. Gusto ko maupo dito sa stroller ni Ayara at ako ay itulak ni Melby. Ang sakit na ng paa ko. Grabing lakaran ko. 7:30 na guys.